Hi everyone, I'm Sophia Tilbury, and today I'm going to show you how to get Bella Hadid's sultry red lip look. I created this makeup look for Bella in LA, and we went for a beautiful bronze glowing skin with a taupey, sparkly, smoky eye and a bold red statement lip. Let's get into the details. And that's the finished look. Bella's sultry smoky eye with gorgeous bronze glowing skin and a bold red statement lip. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, you can shop Bella's look now on charlottetilbury.com.